How to make a Pisces man fall in love with a Virgo woman. The relationship between a Pisces man and a Virgo woman can be incredibly fulfilling when both signs understand and appreciate their differences. Pisces, a sensitive and intuitive water sign, is drawn to Virgo's grounded, practical nature. Get a man hooked on you. Discover what men secretly want and become his secret obsession. Click the link below in the description to learn more. If you're a Virgo woman wondering how to make a Pisces man fall in love with you, here are 7 essential tips. 1. Be emotionally supportive. Pisces men are sensitive and deeply emotional. Show empathy and be supportive when he opens up. Your listening ear will help build trust and intimacy. 2. Open up about your feelings. While Virgo women tend to be reserved, a Pisces man values emotional depth. Sharing your thoughts and feelings with him will create a deeper emotional bond. 3. Offer thoughtful gestures. Small acts of service go a long way with a Pisces man. Whether it's preparing his favorite meal or offering help when needed, these actions demonstrate your affection and care. 4. Give him space. Pisces men often need time alone to recharge. Don't take it personally if he needs some solitude. Respecting this space shows maturity and understanding. 5. Encourage his creativity. Pisces men are often artistic or imaginative. Show interest in his hobbies or dreams, and offer encouragement. He'll appreciate your support and feel more connected to you. 6. Engage in deep conversations. Pisces men enjoy meaningful discussions. Tap into his love for philosophy or art, and engage him in thoughtful conversations. This will strengthen your intellectual connection. 7. Be patient. Pisces men can be slow to commit. Don't rush him. Instead, show patience and understanding. Let the relationship develop naturally. In conclusion, making a Pisces man fall in love with a Virgo woman involves patience, empathy, and emotional depth. By nurturing his sensitivities and offering support, you can build a lasting and loving relationship. Do you want to get him chasing you like crazy? Discover what men secretly want and make him want you forever. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video.